You want me to ruin your day? Well, I don't know. Maybe you have a higher net worth and you're just not telling anybody here. But the Federal Reserve says that the average American is officially a millionaire. Congratulations. These are not our numbers.
$1 million. Federal Reserve.
The average net worth.
Average
of people here in the U.S., $1.063 million. Your net worth has gone up 23%, apparently.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Do you feel that way?
I don't see how the percent has changed that much. That
23%, and this is essentially through COVID.
Which I guess goes to the argument that, people are like, well, I want to save up $1 million. And everybody's like, well, $1 million isn't enough.
Well, now it's just average.
So yeah.
Now it's just
to make it in retirement, because looking at the numbers, what are your ages? Your age references here, less than 35, the average is $183,000, less than 35. That's a big number.
Well, what's interesting to me is so if you break the ages down there, as soon as you hit 55, actually just a touch before, when you're in 45 to 54, you better almost have a net worth of $1 million is what the government's saying.
It's $975,000. But let's look at the median to be fair. So your median, it takes it all away and says, okay, at, I'd said the less than 35, it was 183,000. Now we're looking at less than 35 is 39,000. Then we go up to...
But wait. So 39,000.
Yeah.
The median income in 2019 was only 16,000. Median net worth, was only 16,000, up 143%.
Yeah.
So that's where the money's being made there. And if you look at the average as well, the biggest growth of one's net worth has come from those under 35, which it sparks an interesting...
107%.
Yeah, to me, it's an interesting thing because who's spending all the freaking money right now? Those that just saw their average net worth double, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
They're happy as can be. I was making this. Now I got an extra $100,000 on average.
Well, it's interesting to see though, because where's that going? Because the argument with everybody is, hey man, my money doesn't go as far, but obviously it's going somewhere. They're able to save this money if they have a higher net worth. And so breaking that down. But what I like to see here is, college people, they've, without no high school, the percent change on median net worth was up 60%.
Yeah.
But then if you look down,
hustlers,
college degree in general, though, they have a much higher median and, mean net worth. Well, then they should pay for their own education.
Oh, then that means they can make their student loan payments.
They can make the payments.
Yeah. One other thing.
The no high school diploma person shouldn't be on the hook for that.
Oh, he comes out with an opinion. Okay, so...
Hey, well, I'm just looking at stats here. This is based on what the Fed is telling us.
This is their data. Yeah, it's not our data. So look at the homeowner versus renter. Naturally and historically over the whole lifespan of the U.S. economy, if you're a homeowner, your net worth is always higher than a renter. Mm-hmm. I don't mean a temporary renter because you sold your house and you're moving out of state or something. Now, the renter themselves, which is interesting because it tends to be the younger crowd, they saw their net worth go up 40%. So it's historically known that renters are bigger consumers, whether by necessity or just desire. They're bigger consumers than a homeowner if you take out the fact that you repair your house. I'm talking about discretionary spending. And so who's spending the money? People out there renting, realizing their rent payments have stabilized, what I see and what I hear, apparently, and they go, I got extra money. Okay, I don't have the increase in taxes because my real estate just doubled in value and now I've got to pay more taxes. They don't have that. They got a year-long rent locked in. People spending some money there.
Yeah, that's a solid argument on that. But are they spending the money though because they have the net worth? So is it getting saved? Where's this money going to calculate this net worth? Obviously, some money is getting parked to the side to be saved.
Yeah, I hope so. But we literally have our economy still going gangbusters here, as gangbusters as it's been anyways. It's not officially gangbusters by definition, right?
Okay.
But everything's going well, supposedly. We see people spending money on everything besides sporting equipment, because that on retail sales number, that number actually went down. So, all right, we've given up on that. But we're all still spending money, eating out, doing all this stuff. Is it because of the net worth factor? You may not fit, keep in mind, this is the average net worth. You may not fit right in there, but did your net worth go up by 23%? If so, you outpaced inflation. Do you feel wealthier and hence maybe spend a little bit more? Curious.
Well, look at the markets. The data, 2019 to 2022, look what the markets did. And even though it did pull back in 2022, the markets were still so much higher than they were in at 2019.
Yeah, breaking over the COVID highs and stuff.
Yeah.
So you have a double-edged sword there. Your account's going up, your net worth's going up. You're like, going on a cruise.
Yeah.
Is that how you felt?
Yeah, it sounds like it for people.
I'm playing it backwards, man. I'm playing it backwards. Everybody wants to buy stuff right now. I got a house. I'm selling my house.
Yep.
Totally fine with that.
I did it a little earlier than that, but did the same thing. It's like, hey, let's let it ride.
I love it, man.
Well, I've started investing in stocks, beef, chicken, and vegetable. One day,
you should have just stopped there.
One day, I hope to be a billionaire. Is it a billionaire? Billionaire?
Billionaire.
Billionaire? So client Jeff sent us that. So
okay,
that was from a client.
I actually have a client as well. Believe it or not, his name's Doug. It's not that Doug.
Okay.
But
we have an HR Doug.
Yeah. But Doug says, I don't believe that people who have dogs should consider them kids. It's not true at all when people get a dog and they treat it like a kid, because I've never stopped being friends with somebody because they got a dog. My clients versus your clients. You know what I mean?
so maybe they stopped being friends with somebody because they had a kid.
Exactly.
I get that though. I get that. Yeah. I mean, we actually, we've got kids.
I've done that. I didn't stop being friends with them. I'm just, maybe the phone don't ring as much.
Well, you're not hanging out. Yeah. You're not hanging out as much.
Yeah. All right.
It's different.
That's it. I kept it clean today for you.
Thank you.
You got it. Adios, everybody. We'll see you.